I got a seatbelt on every time. Shut up. What's good, YouTube? Back with YouTube video. Today I'm here with my dog.
What's up, Kai?
What's good, YouTube? Back with YouTube video. Today I'm here with my dog.
Kaister, what's good?
I saw Pootie do this jump. Guess the song or something.
I think so, yeah.
You wanna do? All right. So look, we can either do guess that song challenge, or it could be like pass the aux, and we can just get lit. Pass the aux. Pass the aux. All right, y'all. We finna do pass the aux. You know what I'm saying? We don't have an aux cord, but we do have Bluetooth, and we just gonna use my phone, and we have a limited Spotify play. So we just wanna play some music, get lit. You know what I'm saying? Our best playlist. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get lit with y'all for a second. So man, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and
let's get right into the video.
Let's get right into the video, dude. You got wait, you got a channel?
No.
Then how you knew to say that?
Cause I've been watching y'all, John.
Oh!
Daily supporter, you know?
Wait, what?
Daily.
Alright, so which one you wanna go? You wanna play rock, paper, scissors? Wait.
Yeah.
Do that? Oh, you can't. Never mind.
Oh, wait.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, I go first, you know what I'm saying? So look, pass the aux, you know what I'm saying? They just texted me again. Okay, so we both have an hour. You driving your okay, let's just play past the aux, you know what I'm saying? So look, guess what I'm gonna put on, you know what I'm saying? We just wanna like collab it. Guess what? I'm gonna play it and you gotta try to tell me the title of it. Wait, I'm gonna play another song. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay. Ready, set, go.
Hey.
What's the name?
Legacy.
By what? By who?
My fucking father of four.
Like, who's the artist?
Offset. Fucking saying?
You ever felt a zombie? Your body don't smell like vomit.
I done went back.
Ever since I got checks, I don't run and get mad. My niggas get part of the cook, so I got it right back. The way it's going down, it's been going up. I can't hold it back, I won't hold you up. I can fit on my face in the star cup. Always
You know the part?
Tripping ain't easy. All night dinner. Hopping out there, then true like a genie.
Hey. Yeah, you heard that? I was trapping and I had to take a bird bath. But someone's on the phone on the wrong path. I'm running with the money in the bird bath. Oh my god! God, you know that bit?
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir!
Dive into that bit on
Alright. So that's Kai's turn. Alright, so
oh, yeah,
you just choose a song, don't tell me what it is, and then when you play it, I have to guess it. And you knew it. You have 4 seconds to answer.
Damn, I know which one this was.
Okay.
Right, ready?
I don't know all the Father of Four songs. Oh man, it just came true like a genie. Hop.
Oh, this sounds sick.
Even ain't easy. I picked the coca glow, my dog on the lick. I gotta survive cause I ripped. I was so broke cause I would cry, I was sick. But no battles, I'm in the trial. Lick!
Look, bro, you saw that, bro. Shit, look.
They in the ground, way back in the time, black and brown, black and brown. We would talk on them down, he mug a frown.
Get that bit, 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 get that bit.
In my eyes, I hold it down, cause I'm real. Hold it down. Even in the street, come creep, bust. Nigga try to creep, weak, gun bust. Think about my history.
Alright, you do not know this jump. Yeah, okay. You don't know this jump.
I know this one, bro.
I got 4 kids, know we need to spend some time over. I'm running without shit.
North Star, bro.
Oh, God!
Shit, glitter, don't be gold if I can fuck up your family.
Get me! Get me! Get me!
Can't do that while I lanes with you. Thinking about my walls, like this gang get it. Niggas not crossing out they bros.
Bro's a dog, bro. Yeah, alright.
No gaming and racing. I'm riding my dog. From the north side.
Bro, CeeLo Green part so wrong, but go ahead.
I swear, bro.
If you ever feel the honesty, then you may not be the goat that's highest me. No? Okay. You gotta use another album, bro.
I got one.
Need a drink? My home. Ooh, she made me with the thrills. And girls all alike. Girls all alike?
No.
Oh, hi. Home, shorty made me feel at home. She made me with the thrills at home. Y'all, if you haven't watched Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, and if you watched it and not listened to the album, you're asleep. That album's amazing.
To be honest, y'all not living. Come on now.
Alright, it's my turn. I wonder why they never beat me. They never beat me. Okay, how could I forget? Hey, it takes some courage. Hey, that must be why you were there. You
saved the day.
I go hard just like the shell of a lobster.
People saying that they want the church. Careful of the wishes you make up on your buses. I'm gonna paint a vivid picture. Let me change how we live, boy. Get my
Oh my God! I can't. I am disgusted. You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
Alright, we gotta do it. Alright, copyright this. Okay. What's up, danger? Don't be a stranger. Cause I like high chances that I might lose. I like it all under edge, just like you. I like tall buildings so I can leap off of them. I go hard with it no matter how dark it is. I had a slumber party with all my foes. Now I'm wearing like a badge of armor on my clothes. Like, what's up, danger? Hey, what's up? Don't be a stranger. Mama always asks me where did I go wrong. What's up, danger? What's up, danger? Travel 200 miles knocking at your door. And I don't even care if you ain't done wrong. Come on, what's up, danger? I like it when jungle rules, I want that change. I like it when there's turbulence on my airplanes. I like it when I sense things that I can't see yet. Swimming with sharks when they ain't feed yet. I go hard with it no matter how hard it is. Left in the desk. Alright, but really copyright.
Oh shit.
Get out of my car, dude. Alright. I can't believe you just did that.
I shoot the shot. I'm coming in.
I'm feeding my fam. I'm feeding the meter. Yeah, I got an Iowa, I got to see them. I got the fire, but you never seen them. I got the fire, I don't need a subpoena. I love myself when I go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Got to protect her. I'm a big what's this?
Hey, I'm in the studio.
You in the studio, bro?
I'm on and on in my channel. Said I tend to get in my feelings. And all the smoke is that out. Don't pass me no me.
I wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. The floor, he taught me by advice. He grabbed me by the hand and said I was afraid to die.
I told him it's too late, my friends just tried to say goodbye. He died in somewhere else. Murder on my shirt.
Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. Alright. That was raw though, we killed that bit.
You know what I'm saying? I know it was wrong.
Okay.
Look, checks, big large bills, run off thick like 10 car wheels.
Diamonds on my neck.
I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money.
That's London on the track for that shit. That's your mom, is that grandma?
I like the way you keep up with your earnings. It's okay. You swerving.
After you learn it back and leave you turning. When these brothers say I got the feed in the text, but the effing on my body in the clip on hollow tits. Niggas say they gon' rob us and they still ain't do shit. What? Wanna redo it?
Yeah.
I messed it up.
Cause I low-key forgot the part.
You
Why these brothers out? I got a feed with the tents. Got the effort on my body in the club, all on tits. And the say they go wrong, but in that silly do shit. At the main in the lobby, I'ma give it this dick. Man, where these niggas at? Man, where these niggas at? We gon' pull up big body with the Rugas in the Mac. We gon' leave them where he at. Like, where these niggas at? Hey, I will pull up with the big body with the if the ops try to sell my song off from the back, but I have the back, but the long ball, but the back.
We're gonna let Kai get the last song before we end this video, man. I know it's like 20 minutes, but I had to cut it a lot, man. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So, here you go, my friend. You can search something up or you can go through my likes. It doesn't really matter, brody.
Should I pick something new or old?
It's whatever, man. Go ahead, choose. Go ahead, choose. Well, you didn't guess the song either. What's it called?
Swerving.
Swerving. Shout out Water, he put me on. I ain't gonna lie. Hurry up, dude. We got 5 minutes.
I know this plays all the time on the radio, but this joint is still fire.
Rolling, not a stopwatch, shit don't never stop. This that flow that got that drop hot, shit like super hot. Give me my respect, give me my respect. I just take a left like I'm every day. Niggas really give me this cause they scared to rap. I don't roll with them, got them all. What? You're racist.
I didn't mean to do that. I don't think about it. I didn't mean to do that, John.
I'm cutting that out!
Oh my god.
I'm cutting that out, y'all. Look, I'm cutting that out. Okay, we should end the video. You ain't see the prank I did on this man right here, you know what I'm saying? Go watch that. Extremely funny. Jit tried to fight me, bro, but you know I had to do that. On his behind, you dig me, you know what I'm saying?
I wanna knock this John out.
Okay, but anyways, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
You feel me?
Links in the description. You got anything to say, Brody?
Just subscribe, you know?
Subscribe, help your boy dreams come true.
Dreams come true.
Dreams coming true, you know what I'm saying? And I think that's pretty much it.
We really out here.
And
thank y'all for your support.
Thank you for your support. And God most definitely. And that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Thanks for being in the video, bro.
Time to work.
So yeah. Camera's about to die, so
ain't no shit about
see y'all in a minute.
Just in time.
Huh? Just in time too, bro. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Peace. Ouch. Y'all should really go watch the prank on him. Jit really, like, I almost got drilled by your boy. Officialcammm gets in a fight. Lit.
Yeah, okay. And I would've won. But wrong. Go ahead. Alright, end the video.
What you mean you would've won? We can really set up a boxing match if you really think about it. I'll think about it.
Me as the teacher.
What y'all think?
You as the student who knows how to do it but not so good.
Go crazy! Go stupid!